So let's navigate to the self-service portal. So in this scenario, let's assume we're a user who has enrolled devices and we want to go to a self-service portal which we can access from anywhere, in this case from our desktop computer. So we need to authenticate. And once that user logs in, as we've seen in previous sessions, they could of course enroll with the right code, but in this case we're going to manage devices. And this user actually has 3 devices. So if we click on the second device there, we can click on information, so we can see some summary inventory data about that particular device, and obviously some options we have here. So let's just test one of these out. So here's the device. Let's try and lock it from the web browser of a desktop PC. And there we go. The device is locked. So we've secured that device. Imagine a scenario I didn't know where that device was. So the first thing I want to do is make sure it's locked. And then I'd want to be able to locate it. So let's drill down here. One of the key points to understand here is with the self-service portal, this functions such as locate are available across multiple platforms such as Android and iOS. And what I can see here is this device, no need to worry, it's actually in the CA Ditton Park office. So I can go back and look at some of the other actions that are available to me. A remote wipe, unlock the device or clear the passcode. Okay, that could be useful, especially for self-service perspective. I could also remove control, which will perform a selective wipe on the device and only remove the configurations and applications that have been pushed from the server. So let's click on unlock device. Now this device actually has a passcode. And just to show that, when we look at the device, okay, it's still locked, but if I unlock it, I'm not prompted by a passcode, and because I have corporate email set up, Exchange won't allow itself to be used on an iPad without a passcode, so you can see how that takes effect. Now, a remote wipe, not always the best demonstration, but let's give that a go. And that device is actually now at the Apple logo. It's no longer be sharing on my screen. So we've managed to remotely wipe that device.